In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Chatgpt being unable to load its site. Now, we know that dealing with technical glitches can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access important information or a service you use regularly. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, and it should only take about 5 minutes of your time. First up, we'll want to rule out any known outages or issues from OpenAI's end. So head over to status.openai.com. This website provides real-time updates on the status of OpenAI's services, including ChatGPT. If there's a widespread issue or maintenance going on, you'll be able to find that information there. If everything seems to be running smoothly on their end, let's dig a bit deeper and try some troubleshooting on our side. Next, let's go ahead and refresh the ChatGPT page. While this might seem like a simple step, it can often help resolve any temporary glitches or loading errors that could have occurred. Simply click on the refresh button in your browser or hit F5 on your keyboard. If the site still doesn't load, don't worry. There are a few more tricks up our sleeve. Moving on, open your browser settings and locate the option to clear your browsing data. Clearing your browsing cache and cookies can often resolve many issues associated with site loading, as it removes any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Make sure you select the appropriate options to clear cached images and files and any cookies and other site data. After clearing your browsing data, the next step is to disable any browser extensions you may have installed. Sometimes, extensions can interfere with how a website loads and functions, especially if they block scripts or ads. Most browsers display active extensions at the top right corner, so you can easily disable them by clicking on the extension icons or going into your browser's extension management area. Once you've tried these steps, it's a good idea to log out of your ChatGPT account and sign back in. This can often reset any sessions that may have become corrupted or outdated, allowing the site to load fresh settings for your account. Simply go to the login page, sign out, and then log back in with your credentials. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing issues, it might be best to wait a bit and try again later. There could be temporary technical issues or overloaded servers that resolve themselves after some time. During peak usage times, servers can sometimes become overwhelmed, causing temporary loading issues. I hope these steps help you get back to using ChatGPT without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.